usually means the game files are corrupted, incomplete, or blocked during extraction installation. These two games, especially repacks, are very sensitive to file corruption. Here is the exact fix, step by step. Step 1. Verify the download, most important. Data errors happen when even one file is broken or not fully downloaded. Fix. Recheck your downloaded file size. Make sure all parts .bin, .rar, .iso are present. Do not rename any files. If torrent shows missing pieces, rehash the download. If even one file is damaged, installation will show data error. Step 2. Re-extract properly. Common mistake. Improper extraction causes data error, quicksv error, DLL missing errors. Do this. 1. Delete the extracted game folder. 2. Right-click the archive. 3. Extract using 7-zip, latest, not Windows default extractor. 4. Extract to a short path like dgames, Shadow of War. Avoid long paths like desktop or downloads. Step 3. Disable antivirus before installing your previous errors. quicksfv.exe64.dll. Confirm antivirus interference. Steps 1. Open Windows Security. 2. Virus and threat protection. 3. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. 4. Add exclusion for your game folder. 5. Reinstall the game. Antivirus often deletes installer verification files, causing data errors. Step 4. Check disk space and drive format. These games need large space. Shadow of Mordor 70 GB. Shadow of War 100 plus gigabytes with HD textures. Make sure at least 2x free space available. Install on NTFS drive, not FAT32. To check drive, right-click Drive Properties, File System equals NTFS. Step 5. Run setup as administrator. Right-click Setup.exe, run as administrator. Also, disable background apps, close browser, and heavy programs during install. Step 6. Install required runtimes prevents further errors. Install DirectX, June 2010, Visual C++ Redistributables, 2005-2022 all-in-one, .NET Framework 4.8 plus, then restart PC. If error still appears, 90% case, your repack is corrupted or badly compressed. Best fix, re-download from a reliable source. Prefer torrent with 100% health. Avoid pausing download frequently. Do not install from external USB, can cause data read errors. #quick diagnosis based on your errors. Since you got quicksfv.exe error, online fix 64.dll missing, data error. This strongly indicates corrupted extraction plus antivirus deleting files.